Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, right behind that camera is something very special. I've been and bought the UK's potentially cheapest Ford Puma Millennium. As I said, today I have been and picked up this 2000 plate Ford Millennium limited edition Puma. Now, I'll put a link in the description to Project Puma. That will now probably be getting set by the wayside, because this is something I've been after for a very long time. A good Millennium. I went this morning off night to pick this up with my friend Matt, and all I can say is, wow. £300. So I think we should have a little look at it, don't you? Let's get into it. So as you can see, I've put it on my lift since I've got home today, and it is a complete car. Now, the story on this is that it's been in a field stud for the past 10 years. Now, I found this on Facebook Marketplace, and literally that was all I knew about it. It popped up late at night, I was in work, I saw it, messaged the guy, asked what he wanted for it, 300 quid, sold. I wasn't even questioning it. But I didn't actually know anything about it, which was a little bit risky. Now, after getting it home and getting it on the lift, I can say it's not actually that bad underneath. There's a fair bit of surface corrosion. It's a little bit scabby, and obviously tyres are shot, brakes are rusty, this and that. But however, I think I may have got a little gem for a few very important little reasons, which we'll get straight into now. The car's come with a powerful stainless steel exhaust. It's come with 300mm upgraded front brake kit. We have got, albeit rusty, a lower OMP strut brace. Yes. Again, very rusty, but we have polybushed front wishbone. And again, on the rear, we've got a polybushed axle. Yes. And in the engine bay, we managed to wangle this out. Oh. What looks to appear to be a brand new K&N air filter. Lovely. So although this Puma is been sat for 10 years, looks like it's been on the Titanic at the bottom of the sea, it's actually quite solid underneath. Most of it is surface corrosion, flakiness, this and that. For once, a Puma with fairly solid arches. There's a tiny bit of bubbling, but very good sills all the way along, not gone, which is impressive. Has come with polybushed wishbones, polybushed axle, upgraded front brakes. What else did I say? A nearly new K&N air filter, a stainless steel exhaust, which is going to sound. And when we dipped it, oil that looked like it had just been changed the day before it's put in the field. So I think I may have bought the best Puma possible for £300. So this Puma is going to be Project Millie. The intention is get this cleaned up, get anything refurbed that needs refurbing, few new parts, full service, get it looking tidy, sell my Thunder, use this, and enjoy having something that's a little bit different. Even though a normal Puma is a little bit different, this is different again. A little bit special, being a limited edition. And yeah, you're going to get to see me overhaul the Puma. Bit of rust proofing maybe, a few new parts, a few upgrades, a couple of modifications. Yeah, so today, I'm going to get it off the lift, give it its first, like, should we call it a pre-wash, just get the excess off, wipe the seats down, get rid of some stuff because there's a bit of mould inside with it being stood outside. And we'll just have a good look round it and decide where we're going to go with it. Let's get into it. All sudded up. So, before people start complaining about how I washed the car, this has been stood outside for years. It's scratched, it's full of rubbish on the paint, you can feel it feels like sandpaper. I just wanted to get it washed. The first part of that was a TFR rinse, with the brush getting in all the nooks and crannies. Yes, it may put a couple of scratches in at the minute, doesn't matter. It's going to be polished up later on. So I TFR'd it, let that soak in a little bit, not too long, rinsed it off with the hose. That now is just purely just a shampoo wash, extra concentrated. So while it's still suddy, what I'm going to do is get a clay mitt. Actually, I'll show you that. Ooh, Sierra. Ooh, nice. Is my clay mitt. Where's it gone? It's all the way down here. Oh, it's a clay cloth. My bad. Thought it was a clay mitt. So, clay mitt. So, what you want is to make sure that your car's all sudded up, lubed up. You can get clay lube, doesn't matter again, no need to fork out. Shampoo, quick detailer, anything. As long as the clay cloth doesn't get dry, you are fine. Now what this will do, it will take all the contaminants off the paint. Any of them little bits you feel like, when you feel your paint a little bit rough, it'll get the paint to a lot better starting point for us to go forward. Yeah, that's it. So, clay time. Clay bar. Working lovely. Look at that oxidization layer, the white stuff going just with the clay bar, and like a baby's bottom. Right, now the roof is horrendous. Look at that. Nasty. That is horrible. Feels like sandpaper. You can hear it. See how the sound's getting less and less as all that contamination off the surface of the paint is being lifted. Back to heavy. Noise changes, and you can see it's lifting all that off. Oh, listen to that. Oh, and then you just carry on And it goes, oh! Oh, hear that change? That's what we want. Just the whole car to do. But again, I'm touch and lucky these past few weeks. Look at that. It's another cracking day. So, that's tiring. Oh, isn't she a beauty? Yeah. So, I'm not going to film any more of that clay barring. Oh, just because I'm not going to lie, I got to go out. So, I'll finish it off tomorrow. Carry on clay barring, wash it down, and let's see where it's at when it's all clayed and how it looks. See you tomorrow. So guys, it's now night time. No, oh look at that. There we go. Yeah, it's evening time. It's actually about, I think it's about 9:30 at night. So, I went out before, came back, decided to just push it in, and I got a little bit antsy. So, I haven't clayed the other half of the car yet, but I've done the side that you saw earlier on, and I thought I'm going to see how much it polishes up, just lightly, and I'm quite surprised, if I'm being honest. It isn't great, as in you can tell it's had paintwork and that in different bits, but it's come up okay. Have a look. Come up with an absolutely cracking shine. Compared to what it was. I'm dead impressed. And what was funny was I thought I'd masked the bonnet off. That's the difference. Now, I'm by no means an expert in polishing, albeit Dave off the other video, Focus RS, post a link, he is. So, if that's the type of finish I can get, I think I need to get Dave round. Yeah. So I think I'll finish off clay bar on the rest of the car. Wipe it all down, make sure there's no contaminants on it. And I think we're going to need another video, aren't we? With Dave fully detailing it. Poor Dave doesn't know what he's got himself in for. So, like and subscribe. Other videos down here. See you next time.